Digital dreams, baby. My electrical skills coming into good use right now. Yee.
This one is very good.
Captain of this ship. I take you higher.
All right, now I was taking off the extra pieces that I don't need for this door sensor to be able to just put it right up on this mullen.
How are you gonna do that without, how's it gonna be secure?
You know, that's a damn good point. Actually, I do need that. I need to take it off so I could put this up first with the self-tappers and then put it on.
Oh, okay, that makes more
I haven't
sense.
been on a door in a minute. Crimping these on, call these beans, or you can call them dolphin connectors.
I like beans better, it looks like a bean.
We are here at Peak Designs, the leading designer in bags and phone products and camera products. And delete that. Peak Designs retail shop. Adding a couple cameras, got a multi-sensor going in, 3 cameras going in here to secure the products.
We're gonna screw this up, get the plate, put it right there, screw this into the wood, connect that pole, put another hole with another connector, and then screw it right in, and boom, we're done.